After Quebec Superior Court Justice Gregory Moore dismissed the motion to stop excavation in Zone 11, the Mohawk Mothers, Organisten Sera, said they will be back in court at the end of October to address multiple issues. They allege McGill is in breach of a court-approved settlement agreement that was reached back in April.
The defendants seem to think and are putting out there that there was no human remains found and that's the end of it, but that's simply not so.
Judge Moore ruled that the Mohawk Mothers did not demonstrate that drilling Zone 11 would cause irreparable harm in the search for unmarked graves near the site of the old Royal Vic Hospital.
This investigation is evolving and it's constantly having new information, and that needs to be a factor within this investigation, that there are other things that need to be going on and being viewed and being scrutinized, and the results need to be analyzed by professionals that are put in place, such as our panel that we have.
The judgment also stated that the panel of archaeologists selected by the Mohawk Mothers in accordance with the April settlement agreement reported that it was impossible that there would be unmarked graves in Zone 11 because the area in question was a road built on bedrock that has likely been paved since at least 1949.
That is a concern of ours, that they unilaterally made the decision that the panel is no more. And that's their interpretation of what the settlement agreement says.
In August, project developers McGill University and Quebec's Infrastructure Society, or SQI, terminated the mandate of the archaeologist panel. Julian Falconer, who represents the Office of the Independent Special Interlocutor for Missing Children and Unmarked Graves, was also at the hearing.
Talk about a crisis of confidence. And so that's why we're stuck. I think it's a shame. I think McGill's taken a lot of goodwill that was there as a result of the settlement agreement and really compromised it. And so we're looking for guidance from the court on October 27th.
In an email sent to its student body and staff, McGill said activities at the site, including the deployment of archaeological techniques, would continue to be carried out as per the settlement agreement. When contacted by APTN News, the university referred back to that statement.
I already tendered the evidence from Dr. Burke, one of the panel members, in a communication directly to the Société Québécoise, the agency, SQI and McGill, he says specifically, you're not following my recommendations and you're not following best practices.
Maricela Amador, APTN National News, Montreal.